So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add EasyJet boarding pass to your wallet. So first off, you will need to open up your EasyJet account like so and sign in to get to your specific account. Through there you can see the greeting that they give you. Where will you go next? You can see your flights, your holidays, you can see home, book, trips, passes, and your tracker. So once you get to your bookings, so you can see trips. Once you've added your specific trip, you will need to see your boarding pass being displayed, so it's within 24 hours of your flight departing. You can click the option to add to wallet. So if you go to your passes, you will find them right there, and then you can just click on add to wallet, and your boarding pass will be in turn added to your EasyJet, or rather in this case Apple or Google Wallet, depending which type of device you're using. So once that's done, you'll get your specific boarding pass that's for your specific flight. As I mentioned before, within your trips, it's going to be transferred to your wallet, and then it's going to be easily accessible to you once you need to display it in order to board your flight. Just make sure that it's somewhere where, or some folder within your wallet that you can reach easily. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on EasyJet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.